Hey Altenew crafters!
Hi crafters!
Hi Altenew friends!
Hello there, Michelle here.
I'm Amanda Baldwin.
I'm Terri.
My name's Jenny and I'm excited to be joining the Altenew design team.
Today we have some thrilling news to share with the Altenew family. Please join us in welcoming our newest design team members. Joining our card design team, mixed media design team and video inspiration team are Michelle, Terri, Amanda and Jenny. As a fun introduction to our viewers, we asked our new design team members to play around with 2 truths and a lie. Each of them will share 3 fun facts about herself. Only 1 fact will be a lie. Keep watching to see if you can guess which facts are true and which ones are false.
So fact number 1, my favourite supply to make cards with is stamps. Fact number 2, I've been card making for almost 10 years. And fact number 3, my favourite technique for making cards is heat embossing. Can you guess which is the lie? Well, I have been making cards for almost 10 years. I started when I came to the US over 11 years ago now. Found YouTube and the rest is history. I love heat embossing. I absolutely adore it. I love layering heat embossing. I love stenciling with heat embossing. That is absolutely true. It is my favourite technique to use on cards. So fact number 1 was the lie. I do love stamps. However, my favourite product to make cards with is stencils. I love them and I am excited to be joining the design team featuring stylish card making techniques with Jenny. It's a video series twice a month and I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks on how to get the most from your products that Altenew carries and some of the tools and mediums, and I'm going to be sharing the how and the what on techniques every video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm super excited to be joining and wishing you all a wonderful crafty day.
Okay, so the first one is I craft in my kitchen. The second, I've never bought a duplicate stamp set. And the third, I've never told my husband that an item is for a DT project when I've actually purchased it myself. Which do you think is the lie? Okay, the lie is I've never duplicated a stamp set. I have, but I bought it for a workshop, so I needed multiple, so that doesn't really count anyway. My favourite Altenew products are craft flower dyes and Altenew inks. I love swatching ink pads. I also love tidying my craft room. I'm a bit OCD and have full set syndrome. Here's a look at some of the projects that you're likely to see from me. I like to use Altenew's layered florals with die cut backgrounds, especially in black, as I like the striking look. Ink blended cards with gold embossing really seems to work for me. I also have lots of fun playing with layered stencils, and I like to use Altenew's layered die cut florals with the gradient cardstocks and gradient glitter cards. Can't wait to share projects with you soon.
Number 1, I always use hot glue to secure my projects. Number 2, permanent black crisp dyeing is my favourite go-to for black ink. And number 3, I first fell in love with Altenew with their layered floral stamps. So which one's the lie? I'll give you a moment to think. If you guessed that using hot glue was the lie, you'd be correct. I rarely ever use hot glue on my projects. As for my favourite Altenew products, that's still the layered floral stamps. And it has inspired a brand new video series, Featured Florals. Please join me on the 1st and 3rd Tuesday of every month on the Altenew channel, where I'll have a fun and fresh new series focusing on all things Altenew florals. I can't wait to share what I've been creating with you. See you in my next video.
Number 1, I love lots of white space on my projects. Number 2, my craft room is always messy. Number 3, my most used crafty tool is tweezers. So what do you think? Feel free to pause the video to have more time to think of your answer.
So the lie is number 2. My craft room is almost always clean and tidy. I like to think of it as a reflection of my clean and simple crafting style, and I love crafty organisation. My new video series, Terrific Tags with Michelle, hits your YouTube screens on the 1st and 3rd Saturday of the month. I will be sharing how you can use different techniques on tags and also how you can incorporate them onto cards. I can't wait to share more with you.
Thank you so much to our new DT members for participating in this fun game. We are so excited to see the beautiful projects they will share with us in the upcoming weeks and months. Don't forget that we currently have 3 design teams: our card design team, mixed media design team, and video inspiration team. Watch out for exciting content by our design team members and our YouTube channel and blogs.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!